Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruising with the Colemans, and I am here in Middlebury, Indiana, taking a look today at the Coachmen Apex Nano 181RB. RB stands for rear bathroom. But before we get inside, let's take a look at some of the features out here. So we've got a manual tongue jack on the front end, along with 2 propane tanks, and take a look at this beautiful big window up front. On the side, we've got a pretty decent pass-through storage space, and it's got the charge controller here for the solar panels that are on the roof. Probably the biggest draw on this small couples coach is this great big bay window. This is taken from the Bar B concept, although this is not a Bar B, but we've got this nice tabletop here, and because of the airline cable, it is sturdy, so you can use it as a table. You've got some good storage here, you've got your outdoor TV here, and this beautiful window that has a screen or a blackout blind, depending on what your needs are inside. We also have a tabletop here that you can add on for your suburban griddle. And on the back side, we've got bumper storage, our spare tire, and we are backup camera prepped and ready to go. Last thing I want to point out before we go inside is this is a single axle trailer, and we've got the Morade stairs and the glass front door. Check out the description for all of the details like length and weight, and maybe they're right here below. Let's check out the inside. This is a pretty spacious couples coach. No slide outs at all, but still a lot of open space here once we step inside. Up in the front, we've got our bedroom living area, queen size bed. We've got some nice storage up above. This cabinet goes all the way across as one big unit. And then down here, we have wardrobe storage that can be used dual purpose. Either I can leave the shelf in to have 2 shelves, or I can take this shelf and just set it down below, and I've got hanging space on both sides. On the sides of the bed, I've got outlets and USB on both sides, so if I need to charge my phone or plug in any other devices, I've got plenty of outlet space over here to do that. Underneath the bed, I've got standard under the bed storage, and I've got this beautiful Stargazer, which is an option on all Nano models. And this is fantastic because it also comes with a blackout blind or a screen to keep the bugs out. When I open this Stargazer up, it opens away from the nose of the RV so that if I forget to close it, once I start driving down the road, the wind's just gonna push it shut, and I've got no problems and no rain coming in while I'm driving down the road. Here in the kitchen, you can see they've done some changes on the interior design. So we've got this new darker wood, which is really a beautiful color, and we've got these black and gold accents on all of our faucets and accessories. Big open bowl farmhouse sink, single bowl, 2-burner stove, convection microwave, and plenty of storage above and below. This is the 15K GE profile air conditioner, much quieter than the old units, and gives plenty of cold air to keep this unit cold all summer long. Here in the refrigerator, 12-volt fridge, lots and lots of space. It'll hold 2 liters or wine bottles, can storage, and the freezer is so big because it's a 12-volt, you can actually lay down a frozen pizza inside and then cook it in your convection microwave. This bar countertop inside is a great workspace. Set up my computer here and work and look out this great big window to see the view, or it works well as a dining room table. And if I've got bar stools outside, I'm at eye level with the people outside so we can face each other and have a good conversation. We also have storage up above with the cargo nets. And we've mentioned that we'd love to see a TV backer put down here so that if you had an extended monitor for your computer, it'd be right there on an arm. So they're looking into maybe making that addition. Plenty of power outlets. We've got USB and 120 under here. When you're traveling down the road, you just have to clip these chairs in. Tighten this strap, and you're ready to go. Now let's take a look at this bathroom. For a small rig, this actually has a pretty good amount of bathroom space. Remember, this rig is only 7.5 feet wide, so I don't really pass the elbow test, but I don't think you are in any 7.5 foot wide rig. Lots and lots of storage over here. These cabinets go all the way across, and they're as deep as the refrigerator, so there's plenty of space. Also have another storage bin here that goes all the way across. So I have to do a little reach in to get to the side stuff, but there's plenty of room for everything you need. Underneath the vanity, we've got another little cabinet, and up above a medicine cabinet, we've brought these gold accents back into the bathroom as well. Every Apex unit is coming with this Fagatti tankless water heater. It's a great upgrade. This really upgraded, nice looking shower head. I'd love to test one out with some actual water. That'll be on a different video. And I've got pretty good space here, headroom wise. I'm 6 feet and I've got maybe 2 to 3 inches here. So I'd say 6'2" to 6'3" space here in the shower. Thanks for checking out this 181RB with us. If you like this RV and you want to see more tours, make sure you click the subscribe button to see all of our adventures as we're out on the road. And if you've got any questions about things that we might have missed in this walkthrough, leave them down below in the comment section. See you on our next adventure.